morning mga Mars! Welcome back sa ating new video. New day, new blessing. No? Today's video mga Mars is maglilinis ako kasi nga baka sakali makabili kami or makakuha kami ng aming fur baby ni Cameron. So may in-inquire na kami na taga dito lang din and we'll see. Linis muna ako para make sure na malinis ang bahay pagdating ng ating fur baby. Kasi, para sigurado na, alam mo yun, syempre, 'di ba, mahirap na, mas mabuting malinis ang bahay. And, syempre dito si Jetlyn nung dati, lagi siya dito and kailangan nating malinisan yung bahay. And, hindi ko pa nasasabi sa inyo guys, na si Jetlyn ay, namatay siya nung pumunta kami ng Manila. And hindi ko kinuwento agad sa inyo kasi nga I've been crying for like since pumunta kami sa Manila. 'Di ba nung umalis kami, pag Saturday, Friday kami umalis, pag alis namin okay pa siya. And ayokong umiyak, naiiyak na naman ako. I know OA guys kasi aso lang yan, pero para sa akin kasi ako yung dog lover talaga ako. Kung pwede palang ano ko yan sa higaan, kasama ko yan sa higaan, inaano ko yan guys, tinatabi ko yan sa higaan. Like dati may mga aso ko, tinatabi ko yan sa higaan and then tinututbrushan ko pa yan, lahat talaga ginagawa ko. Nung Friday, 'di ba? Okay pa siya. 'Di ba nag-group hug pa kami nila Charlie noon kasi hindi ko talaga in-expect na pagbalik namin patay na siya kasi sobrang active pa siya that time and sobrang healthy pa siya. Sobrang saya niya. And ayun, Sunday, sabi ng kapatid ko, wala na daw ganang kumain si Jetlyn. And ayun, naiiyak ako. And then ayun, pagka Lunes, namatay na siya kasi nga, hindi ko alam kasi carbo na na siya ng nakatai siya ng dugo and suka siya ng suka. And then yung malala doon kasi wala kami, yung kapatid ko lang na lalaki yung natira dito. So alam mo yun, parang iniisip ko sana kahit namatay siya, andyan lang man lang sana ako kasi nga ako yung laging nagbibigay sa kanya ng guys, ng pagkain ako talaga, pero hindi naman sa akin ako yun, sa kapatid ko yung lalaki. And then syempre ako, mahilig din kasi ako sa aso ko, lagi yun dito kasi as you can see sa vlog, alam mo yung iiyak ka na pero may nakita mo yung itsura niya. So ayun, lagi yun dito yung aso na yun, kaya parang napalapit na rin talaga yung loob ko sa kanya mga Mars. Parang aso ko na rin talaga yun, yung aso na yun. Pero hindi yun natutulog sa amin. Kaya alam mo yung biglaan talaga. Sobrang parang 48 hours lang na, or less than 48 hours na matay agad siya. Kaya sobrang grabe yung iyak ko. Kahit pumunta kami ng Mega Mall, namatay na yun siya guys. Nung kaya ang sabi ko sa inyo, 'di ba? Hindi na, kung naalala nyo, hindi na natuloy yung pag-vlog ko that time. Yung next na vlog ko na yun is uwi na kami kasi nga wala na talaga akong gana mag-vlog nun kasi nga aside sa pagod ako kasi nga may inaasikaso kami doon sa Manila, wala akong gana dahil wala na nga si Jetlyn, namatay na siya. And then sobrang awang-awa ako kasi nga parang iniisip ko sa sarili ko ay grabe, last hug na pala namin noon nung pag-alis namin. And then naiyak ako parang tanga. And then before ako umalis, napaliguan ko pa siya, binilhan ko siya ng pagkain na pedigree para masarap yung kain niya pag alis ko. And then nung nandun kami sa Manila, pinabilhan ko pa yan kay tatay ng pinabilhan ko pa kay tatay ng tawag nito, ng atay para masarap yung kain niya ba. Pinabilhan ko pa yun kay tatay ng ng atay, pero sabi ni tatay pagdating daw niya patay na daw si Jet Li. Sabi niya hindi man lang naantay ni Jet Li yung yung atay na binili niya. Sobrang grabe, hanggang pag-uwi namin, tuwing gabi umiiyak ako kasi nga minsan na-imagine ko na parang usually kasi dito tumatakbo-takbo yan dito, parang tapos iniisip ko na ba yun, parang wala ng asong tumatakbo-takbo ganun. Kaya yun, masakit lang. And then, sabi ni Cameron, ang tanga! Sabi ni Cameron, okay lang yan. Bibilihan kita ng dog. Bibilihan kita ng dog na sa'yo talaga. Para, mawala na yung, para, alam mo yun, para to make me feel better, ganun. And since naman kasi, matagal na gusto namin ni Cameron na mag-aso talaga. And then, we've been dreaming for like, aaso na sobrang talaga. Sobrang gustong-gusto namin. And that's gonna be a golden retriever, guys. Kasi kapag may anak na kami, maganda din kasi yung golden retriever na diba, na aso. Maganda siya sa mga bata. Kaya, golden retriever yung napili namin kasi maganda din naman talaga. And then, sobrang matalino. Kaya, ayun, maglilinis ako ngayon kasi nga, just in case namin natira si Jet Li dito na virus. Pero nung namatay siya, wala naman siya dito. Doon siya namatay sa bahay namin. And then, nakita ko nga yung bowl niya na kinakainan niya. Sabi ko, naiyak talaga ako kasi naaalala ko. Hindi ko pa nga nakita yung laruan niya na lagi niyang nilalaro. Kaya sabi ni Cameron, itapon ko daw, baka may virus daw yun. Para, just in case ba na malaro ng aso. Kaya, ngayon, ililinisan ko yung bahay para malinis siya pagdating ng aso na bibilhin namin. Para walang virus or anything na makuha niya. Ayun, maglilinis muna ako mga Mars before kami umalis. Kasi mamimili kami ng mga para sa aso. Sa excited. Kaya sabi ko nga kay Cameron, kapag namatayan pa ako ng aso, hindi na talaga ako kukuha ng aso kasi sobrang sakit talaga, guys, pag napatayan ka ng aso. Kasi yung aso para sa akin parang anak ko na, ganun ko siya ganun ako sa aso, parang feeling ko anak ko na yung aso na yon. Kaya siguro sa inyo hindi niyo maintindihan yung iba na hindi dog lover na, pero para sa amin mga dog lover, feeling namin parang namatayan kami ng anak, ganun. Mars, tapos na ako maglinis. Ayan, nagmap ako. And nagmap and binlitch ko yung yung sahig. Bibili pa ako ng disinfectant spray later para mas sigurado, no. And mamimili kami ni Cameron ng cage, everything na needed para sa aso, para ready na pagdating niya, diba? I'm so excited. Yeah. We've been, matagal na namin itong hiling ni Cameron. Inaantay lang talaga namin yung right moment talaga. And this is the right moment maybe. And, yeah. Samahan nyo kami bumili, guys. Ito na mga Mars, lang hagad kasi umiyak ako. We're here in Robinsons now. What we gonna do today, my love?
We're gonna look for, dog supplies.
For our baby. Soon to be baby. Let's look in Handyman. Walang cages, guys. How about the cement?
If we want to go downstairs to get food.
Oh, yeah.
Get that another day.
No, it's okay.
Yeah, get that another day.
Mars, uwi na tayo mga Mars. Mars, we're finally home na. And we will show you guys what we got sa Robinsons for our... Come here, my love. For our baby. For our baby, my love.
Yeah, it's gonna be for baby.
So, ayan guys. How much you like the, the dog?
Huh?
How much you like the dog?
I haven't seen it yet.
Yeah, how much you like it, having a dog?
Yeah, really love having a dog.
It's been your...
You know, it's your really dream to have golden retrievers, isn't it?
Yeah, it's my dream to have a golden... Before, guys, I really love husky. But then, husky, I found out that, you know, eventually, I love golden retriever because husky is very loud kasi, and they shred a lot.
So the golden retriever.
Yeah, so, but yeah, that's what we wanted as well, right? Golden retriever.
Yes. Okay, show them what you got.
So, we went in Handyman, guys, kasi sa Daiso, ang pangit na mga ano doon, na mga... In Daiso, their stuff is chaka there. So, we went in Handyman and then they have, you know, stuff. First is...
Bed.
Yeah, can you...
Just a small one. For now.
For now. I like the bed in City Hardware. Comfier and fluffier. For the doggo. Mas parang ano, parang ang mahal pala magkaroon ng dog, parang anak na rin.
Ooh, it's good enough for now.
Yeah, it's long enough.
Oh. And then dog bowl.
Yeah, for his food and for the water.
And dog chicken.
Chicken. It's gonna be his toy.
Rope.
Rope for the toy. Yeah, I got it for like 75 pesos and then ito is 290 pesos. And itong bowl niya is 125 pesos, guys. Collar, 88 pesos.
Treats.
Yeah, treats. Ito 135 pesos. And then bumili kami ng wipes para sa aso just in case na kapag nilabas namin siya, every time na ilabas namin siya, i-wipes namin yung paa niya. Kasi
we have a dog food for now.
Yeah, bumili na rin kami ng dog food. And that's pretty much it. And then also we got the biggest purchase that we got for him, for our dog.
His little house.
Para masanay siya sa cage, guys. Then I used to the cage para hindi siya magminanul ba.
That's where it's gonna sleep.
Here's the door.
Ah?
Here's the door. We're ready to be guys. We're already ready to be a fur baby. A fur baby. We're already ready to be a fur parent.
Maybe we should have bought a baby soon. It's actually good though. It's gonna go in there. It's done, yeah.
You can open this in the front of it.
So it's better in the... Yeah, see, it fits.
Yeah. And then, you know, it's this and this.
Take it out the bucket.
Aww.
Okay. Everything. Hopefully, he's going to be used to it so it doesn't bark.
So I'm so excited, guys. Tit. Abot kamay na natin ang dog. Yan. Can't wait to see you. And the name is, we're gonna reveal later. Let's go, guys. Dito na tayo sa bahay na kukunan natin. Wala mother. Bawal pa, no?
Agashed, ganila na madalay ko.
Gapang agat man na. So, ayan guys, yung yung nanay ng ng dog. Ano yung male?
Red ma'am, puro sana male bilin. Sara lang mo ang female ko.
Learn to fast. Pwede ko naman yung
Okay.
Pwede Hello!
Gagawa, mama.
Grabe, no? Bakit no? You wanna hold?
Yeah, wait.
3 months?
3 months sa 29, ma'am.
Okay. Hello, cute. So, which one you want?
Maybe the gold one.
And the one that I lift? Yeah. Hello! Hello!
Oh, they're both boys.
Guys, ito na yung ating baby. Ayan na, Pwede mo niya palitan ng ng ngara na ba?
Dahil ma'am, okay lang.
Okay lang man.
Gintawan ko lang para sa record mo.
Hello! 3 months magbago rin, no? Normally ba yung mga dog is...
Kag taas, tanan mo, mang iba na nga bugto. Nagsunod sa tatay, ang tatay kara kay sir, putot, ang akin na mong taas. Pag stad karayawan na ang akin kay taas bay tana. Di nahakwat tong ana ni sir. Himayad ay ang raay kag jaay. Tag-as tanda, ang iba na nga bugto, gagmay.
He's now?
What? Lonely?
Lonely.
Sleepy na tayo.
Tapos bigyan naman na.
Kung may mabakal, tinatubro ko man. Pero kung wala, ginakip ko man tana. Actually, first liter ko na tanda, gid mo.
First
liter tanda.
Welcome home for Maverick! Maverick! Come here!
It's your new bed.
Come here, Maverick!
Kamukha na si Simbo. Simbo.
Good boy! Good boy!
Samik niya. Saramino na.
Such a good boy!
Make him go inside it.
Come here! Come here! Yeah! Sweet ka lang dyan.
Parang tsura mag-ibig.
What you doing now, Maverick? Come here, Maverick. Maverick, come here. Come here.
Stephen, he's gonna wander around. Such a well-behaved dog.
Alam mo tong aso na to. Wow na uwa.
Thirsty.
What?
He's really thirsty.
You thirsty? Ha?
He's still going.
Na? Anong ngaran na? Maverick. Maverick. Anong ngaran na? Maverick. Good boy. Good boy. Wala. So, ayan, si Maverick is unti-unti na siyang nasasanay dito sa loob ng bahay. And gusto-gusto niya yung pamangkin ko, mga boys. He really likes my, Na? Gusto mo si Lily? Gusto mo laruin? Ha? Mas gusto mo siya laruin? So, ito yung kanyang, guys, kanyang vet card. Ayan. So, bali, naka 3 vaccine na siya for parvo and vaccine against distemper and leptospirosis. Leptospirosis or naka 3 vaccine na siya for rabies as well. So, bali yung next, next vaccination niya is ngayong 28, guys. And, Maverick, come here. Come here. Maverick is almost 3 months. No? 3 months ka na, no? No? Almost 3 months ka na? Ha? Ayan. So, ayan. Bali yung pangalan niya, guys, his name is Rio talaga. Pero dahil, syempre, may pangalan, ipapalitan natin yung pangalan niya. His gonna be name is Maverick. Because I like Maverick because it comes from the film Top Gun, guys. Because I love guys, Top Gun. So, I promise to myself na kapag magkakaroon ako ng golden retriever na dog, si Maverick yung ipapangalan ko. Kasi nga, crush ko si Tom Cruise, and you know, I love Top Gun movie, and you know, code name niya kasi doon is Maverick. Ka lang muna sa loob, ha? Stay here, ha? So, kawawa naman yung kapatid niya. Siya na lang mag-isa doon kanina.
Mine dog.
Daddy!
Mine dog. No, I don't want to play with Lily. I want to play with dog. I want to play with dog. Mine dog. This is a family man. How it is. Kid, dog.
You feed the dog now, my love.
Needs to eat. Let's go feed the dog. Kain tayo, dog.
Kain tayo, dog.
Let's go feed the dog. I'm gonna make him sit before he eats it. Wait.
Daddy!
Huh? Wait. Wait. Eat.
Daddy! Yes!
Crazy. Really hungry. Go get a spoon. Get the rest of it.
Ito kami sa taas, guys, ni Maverick. Ayan. So, i-wipes ko siya para malinis ang bata. Para malinis ang bata, sit lang. I'm using this wipes na bigay natin. Wipes natin siya, no? So we're now upstairs, guys, and trying to play Maverick.
He's sleeping.
So
he's really friendly.
yeah, it's really friendly. So I would like to say thank you to you, my love. Thank you for, you know,
That's your Valentine's present.
Valentine's present. Early Valentine's present, my love. Sabi niya, kasi lagi daw ako, gabi-gabi kasi ako umiyak, guys. Because I cried every night because of Jitli, right? And then he wants me to feel, you know, why do you, ano?
You know, this one is, you know, fully vaccinated.
Yeah.
Not fully, but, you know, we're gonna keep...
Yeah, we're gonna keep him vaccinated, mga Mars. you know, we're gonna complete the vaccine and of course feed him, you know, healthy stuff. And alam mo yun, we're gonna ano it as our, you know, own baby.
He's gonna go get grooming tomorrow.
Yeah, we're gonna go grooming tomorrow. First grooming.
So don't, you know, you need to be a good boy.
Yeah, you need
You're
to be
gonna cut your
good boy.
nails. You're gonna cut your nails.
Listen to daddy, ha? And then cut the hair. Is it cut the hair? Good?
Yeah, they're gonna cut the hair, give you a wash,
Yeah, give you bath.
gonna brush you.
Yeah. So, thank you, my love. We're ready to be a fur parent na, guys. We're ready na talaga, guys. So, what can you say about it?
You know, he's my very handsome little boy.
Yeah.
Okay, so, you know, well behaved.
Yeah.
He's not trying, you know, it's just a nice dog. I just can't wait till we can take him outside.
Yeah. Sa ngayon, bawal pa munang ilabas-labas kasi nga,
One more vaccine he needs.
yeah, because we need to, the last vaccine, guys. I mean, ngayong vaccine na to na this August 20, January 28. Yeah, we can walk him in the esplanade or in the beach, guys. As of now, it's not allowed pa kasi nga hindi pa kompleto talaga yung ano niya, shots niya. So, ayun, thank you so much, my love.
Okay.
Thank you for the early Valentine's kiss.
Kiss. Gonna kiss you.
So, I think we will end this video na, guys. It's a dream come true talaga. And,
Really big ears.
yeah, so we will end it video. We'll end this
His ears are
video.
bigger than his face.
Thank you guys for watching.
Please like and subscribe.
And we hope to see you guys in our next video. Paalam.